Zoologist Mike McGrady has spent 5 years studying eagles in the Western Highlands of Scotland. He's used tracking techniques to build the most detailed picture yet of the movements a young eagle makes once it has left the nest.
For the first few months after it leaves the nest, it is resident on its natal territory. But in usually November through January, they move on and start to wander quite widely. These wanderings can be over hundreds of kilometers, and they don't seem to have any direction.
To follow these wanderings, Mike fits the eagles with radio transmitters. But he has to catch one first. "80 yards from the hide, Mike has baited the trap with a dead rabbit. Trapping requires endless patience.
It's kind of dynamic tension between being comfortable and being uncomfortable, because you have to be awake all the time, pretty much, and ready to move. But you also, if you're going to have to spend 11 hours in this hide and it's cold or raining or something like that, you also try to make yourself comfortable.
This is the 6th day of watching and waiting. When he does spot an eagle flying overhead, there's no guarantee it will be tempted by the bait. And even if it is, Mike's problems may have just begun.
We then have to wait until the eagle is exactly in the right position, because one is always concerned that the eagle will be injured by our trapping methods. But once the eagle is in position, we just fire the trap by radio control. Unfortunately, sometimes the eagles spend half an hour in the wrong position, but in the trap, and we never catch them.
Although the bird is in position, it isn't safe to spring the trap while its wings are open. Finally, it folds its wings.